Want to speak English more fluently? Learn 100 daily action verbs with simple sentences. Let's go. Stretch.
Stretch.
She stretches her arms after waking up.
She stretches her arms after waking up.
Yawns.
Yawn.
He always yawns before getting out of bed.
He always yawns before getting out of bed.
Get up.
Get up.
I get up as soon as my alarm rings.
I get up as soon as my alarm rings.
Make.
Make.
She makes her bed in the morning.
She makes her bed in the morning.
Brush.
Brush.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Wash.
Wash.
She washes her face before breakfast.
She washes her face before breakfast.
Shower.
Shower.
She takes a quick shower before work.
She takes a quick shower before work.
Dry.
Dry.
I dry my hair with a towel.
I dry my hair with a towel.
Comb.
Comb.
She combs her hair neatly.
She combs her hair neatly.
Dress.
Dress.
I dress quickly in the morning.
I dress quickly in the morning.
Wear.
Wear.
He wears a uniform to school.
He wears a uniform to school.
Eat.
Eat.
We eat breakfast together.
We eat breakfast together.
Drink.
Drink.
I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
Cook.
Cook.
He cooks dinner for the family.
He cooks dinner for the family.
Prepare.
Prepare.
She prepares lunch for her kids.
She prepares lunch for her kids.
Pack.
Pack.
I pack my school bag every night.
I pack my school bag every night.
Leave.
Leave.
He leaves the house at 8 a.m.
He leaves the house at 8 a.m.
Drive.
Drive.
She drives to the office every day.
She drives to the office every day.
Walk.
Walk.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
Ride.
Ride.
He rides his bike to school.
He rides his bike to school.
Catch.
Catch.
He catches the train at 7:30.
He catches the train at 7:30.
Arrive.
Arrive.
I arrive at work on time.
I arrive at work on time.
Open.
Open.
He opens the door quietly.
He opens the door quietly.
Close.
Close.
She closes the window before leaving.
She closes the window before leaving.
Start.
Start.
The class starts at 9 o'clock.
The class starts at 9 o'clock.
Work.
Work.
He works at a software company.
He works at a software company.
Study.
Study.
I study English in the evening.
I study English in the evening.
Read.
Read.
He reads the newspaper daily.
He reads the newspaper daily.
Write.
Write.
I write in my journal every night.
I write in my journal every night.
Listen.
Listen.
He listens to music on the way to work.
He listens to music on the way to work.
Talk.
Talk.
She talks to her friend on the phone.
She talks to her friend on the phone.
Speak.
Speak.
I speak English with my teacher.
I speak English with my teacher.
Teach.
Teach.
He teaches math at school.
He teaches math at school.
Learn.
Learn.
We learn something new every day.
We learn something new every day.
Type.
Type.
She types emails quickly.
She types emails quickly.
Print.
Print.
I print my assignment for class.
I print my assignment for class.
Draw.
Draw.
He draws pictures in his notebook.
He draws pictures in his notebook.
Paint.
Paint.
She paints in her free time.
She paints in her free time.
Watch.
Watch.
I watch TV after dinner.
I watch TV after dinner.
Play.
Play.
He plays football every evening.
He plays football every evening.
Exercise.
Exercise.
He exercises at the gym.
He exercises at the gym.
Run.
Run.
I run in the park every morning.
I run in the park every morning.
Skip.
Skip.
He skips rope during recess.
He skips rope during recess.
Jump.
Jump.
Kids jump on the trampoline.
Kids jump on the trampoline.
Dance.
Dance.
I dance to my favorite music.
I dance to my favorite music.
Sing.
Sing.
He sings in the shower.
He sings in the shower.
Clean.
Clean.
She cleans the kitchen every day.
She cleans the kitchen every day.
Sweep.
Sweep.
I sweep the floor after lunch.
I sweep the floor after lunch.
Mop.
Mop.
She mops the floor carefully.
She mops the floor carefully.
Dust.
Dust.
She dusts the shelves every week.
She dusts the shelves every week.
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
I vacuum the carpet once a week.
I vacuum the carpet once a week.
Wash.
Wash.
He washes the dishes after dinner.
He washes the dishes after dinner.
Rinse.
Rinse.
She rinses the vegetables before cooking.
She rinses the vegetables before cooking.
Cut.
Cut.
I cut the vegetables with a sharp knife.
I cut the vegetables with a sharp knife. Chop.
Chop. He chops onions for the curry.
He chops onions for the curry.
Boil.
Boil.
She boils eggs for breakfast.
She boils eggs for breakfast.
Fry.
Fry.
I fry the fish in olive oil.
I fry the fish in olive oil.
Bake.
Bake.
He bakes a cake on Sundays.
He bakes a cake on Sundays.
Serve.
Serve.
He serves food at the table.
He serves food at the table.
Eat.
Eat.
We eat together as a family.
We eat together as a family.
Chew.
Chew.
He chews his food slowly.
He chews his food slowly.
Swallow.
Swallow.
She swallows the pills with water.
She swallows the pills with water.
Rest.
Rest.
I rest for 10 minutes after lunch.
I rest for 10 minutes after lunch.
Nap.
Nap.
He takes a short nap in the afternoon.
He takes a short nap in the afternoon.
Call.
Call.
She calls her mother every night.
She calls her mother every night.
Text.
Text.
I text my friend when I'm free.
I text my friend when I'm free.
Charge.
Charge.
He charges his phone before sleeping.
He charges his phone before sleeping.
Check.
Check.
She checks her email in the morning.
She checks her email in the morning.
Shop.
Shop.
I shop for groceries every weekend.
I shop for groceries every weekend.
Buy.
Buy.
He buys fruit from the market.
He buys fruit from the market.
Pay.
Pay.
He pays the bill at the counter.
He pays the bill at the counter.
Save.
Save.
I save money for future needs.
I save money for future needs.
Spend.
Spend.
She spends wisely on essentials.
She spends wisely on essentials.
Clean.
Clean.
She cleans her room every Sunday.
She cleans her room every Sunday.
Fix.
Fix.
He fixes the leaking tap.
He fixes the leaking tap.
Drive.
Drive.
She drives her car carefully.
She drives her car carefully.
Park.
Park.
I park the car in the garage.
I park the car in the garage.
Lock.
Lock.
She locks the door before leaving.
She locks the door before leaving.
Unlock.
Unlock.
He unlocks his phone with a password.
He unlocks his phone with a password.
Feed.
Feed.
I feed the dog twice a day.
I feed the dog twice a day.
Pet.
Pet.
He pets the cat gently.
He pets the cat gently.
Water.
Water.
She waters the plants in the evening.
She waters the plants in the evening.
Plant.
Plant.
I plant flowers in the garden.
I plant flowers in the garden.
Pick.
Pick.
He picks up the toys from the floor.
He picks up the toys from the floor.
Throw.
Throw.
She throws the ball to her friend.
She throws the ball to her friend.
Catch.
Catch.
I catch the ball during the game.
I catch the ball during the game.
Kick.
Kick.
He kicks the ball into the goal.
He kicks the ball into the goal.
Hold.
Hold.
She holds the baby in her arms.
She holds the baby in her arms.
Lift.
Lift.
I lift the box carefully.
I lift the box carefully.
Carry.
Carry.
He carries the bag to school.
He carries the bag to school.
Push.
Push.
He pushes the shopping cart.
He pushes the shopping cart.
Pull.
Pull.
I pull the drawer to get a pen.
I pull the drawer to get a pen.
Open.
Open.
She opens the book to read.
She opens the book to read.
Turn on.
Turn on.
He turns on the light.
He turns on the light.
Turn off.
Turn off.
I turn off the TV at night.
I turn off the TV at night.
Sleep.
Sleep.
He sleeps at 10 p.m. daily.
He sleeps at 10 p.m. daily.
Dream.
Dream.
He dreams about flying.
He dreams about flying.
Snore.
Snore.
I snore when I'm very tired.
I snore when I'm very tired.
Smile.
Smile.
I smile at the camera.
I smile at the camera.
Laugh.
Laugh.
I laugh at the joke.
I laugh at the joke.
Great job, learners. Keep practicing every day. Do like, subscribe, speak English with us, watch the next video.
Great job, learners. Keep practicing every day. Do like, subscribe, speak English with us. Watch the next video.